Running a database used to mean downloading an installer, clicking through a setup wizard, and praying it works. In this guide, you will run 4 real databases with 1 Docker command each: MySQL, PostgreSQL, Redis, and MongoDB. 0 installers, 0 setup. Let's get started.
Every database in this video uses the same command shape. -D runs it in the background. --name gives it a readable label. -P maps a port from your computer into the container. -E sets environment variables like passwords and database names. And -V creates a named volume so your data survives. 5 flags. Learn them once and you can run anything.
Database 1, MySQL. 1 command, and the server is running. Docker pulls the official image automatically. Watch the logs and wait for the line. MySQL init process done, ready for startup. The client is already inside the container, so there is nothing to install. Connect with Docker exec, run a query, and it just works. For a graphical interface, MySQL Workbench connects to localhost port 3306.
Database 2, PostgreSQL. Same 5 flags, different image. The password environment variable is required. Watch the logs until you see database system is ready to accept connections. Then connect with psql and run select 1. For the graphical interface, pgAdmin asks for host localhost, port 5432, and the Postgres user. One warning, Postgres 18 changed its data path, so mount your volume at the new location.
Database 3, Redis. The fastest database to start because it lives in memory. You may see a kernel warning about memory overcommit. On Docker Desktop, it is harmless. Now open redis-cli. Ping returns pong. Set stores a value, and get reads it back. For a visual interface, the Redis stack image includes RedisInsight in your browser on port 8001.
Database 4, MongoDB. 2 environment variables create the admin user and switch on authentication. Its logs are structured JSON, 1 line per event. Wait for, ready for startup. Then connect with mongosh and ping the server. The reply is OK. 1. MongoDB Compass connects with the standard connection string. And remember, without those 2 variables, Mongo starts with no password at all.
Now the mistakes everyone makes. Number 1, the port is already allocated. Something else is using it. Either stop that container or map a different host port. Number 2, the container name is already in use. Just remove the old one. Number 3, your container exited immediately. Docker logs will tell you exactly why.
Number 4, connection refused. The container is not running or the port was not published. Check Docker PS. Number 5, password authentication failed. The environment variables only apply the very first time a fresh volume is created. Number 6, wrong password or permission denied on a volume usually means you mounted a host folder with the wrong user ID. Use named volumes instead.
You do not need the terminal for everything. Docker Desktop shows every container in one dashboard. Each row shows the image, the status, and the published ports. Click any container to open its logs or open a terminal right inside it. You can also copy the exact Docker run command or launch a container from the Images tab with a few clicks.
4 databases, 1 file. Compose starts them all together in the right order and runs health checks. Write the services, then run docker compose up -d. Compose pulls, starts, and reports each container as healthy. 1 command later, your entire database playground is up.
5 rules to remember. Pin your image tags. Use named volumes. Always set a container name. When something breaks, read the logs. And use the clients already built into the container.
Follow these 5, and database setup stops being a problem.
0 installers? 4 databases, 1 command. That is the power of Docker. Which database should we deep dive next? MySQL or PostgreSQL? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe for more one-command guides. See you in the next one.